Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you a cool new update and your sales agent would thank for this update. Right now I'm in this conversation tab, and earlier if you wanted to update a contact record from this conversation tab, you had to click on this contact and go to the contact record and update it. Now if you see on the right hand side, there is a slim sidebar, and which upon clicking would expand like so. You can add notes, you can add a task, you can add opportunities, you can also book an appointment, you can also update a contact record all within the conversation tab itself without needing to leave this window. So now I have to update this contact record. All I have to do is click here on this contacts tab, and then I can see the email address, phone number, and everything. And I can add an owner to this contact. I can add followers to this contact. I can also add tags to this contact, or I can create a new tag if I want to. And if I want to add this contact into a certain automation, all I have to do is click here, select the automation, and add this contact into that automation or workflow. Similarly, I can also add D&D related settings all from this window itself. You can see here, this is the D&D window. And similarly, if I want to book an appointment for this contact, all I have to do is go to this appointment tab and click on book appointments and select a calendar and give a title and set the time and click book appointment. And now if you want to add an opportunity to this contact, click on this opportunity tab and click on add an opportunity. So now I have all the info related to an opportunity, and now I can add the opportunity name here. I can select a pipeline, I can select a stage, I can update this opportunity all within this conversation tab itself. Similarly, you can add a task by going here, click on add task, give a title, description, and assign it to a user, and you can create a task. And you can also add a note by going here, click add note, and then you type in your note and create a note, and the new note is created. And I have done all this without leaving this conversation tab. Now your sales agent can do the same. They can track all the conversations and take actions on the contact right within this conversation tab itself. I hope this new update is useful for you and your team as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.